Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence based software, and it is a revolutionary software. It is changing the world very fast. You can search everything, whatever you want, whatever you have in your mind, even though you can solve your questions, your assignments. You can write a subject, an essay of the words that you can define, even though you can ask him to write an essay of 1000 words, 2000 words, 500 words. It will write for you, it will produce for you. You can ask this software to write a poem for you on a specific subject. You can ask that software to write a stanza for you for a specific situation. Even though you can ask this software to write a sonnet for you. Nowadays, this software is changing the educational system. Our educational system is, I think, need to be restructured, needs to be changed with the passage of time. This GPT, how it works? First of all, write in the Google ChatGPT, this first site, click on it. When you click on it, the software will be open in this way, and here click try ChatGPT. When you click on it, this kind of interface will be open with you. You can search everything here. For example, if you write here a question and ask the ChatGPT to write a sonnet on Pakistan politics, write a sonnet on Pakistani politics, it will write for you. Yes, you can see that in Pakistan politics, a tempest brew with factions waving for control and power. Very accurate. If you want to ask this software to write an essay of 100 words, write an essay of 100 words on Allama Iqbal. You can see here that it is now writing an essay. You can change the software, you can change the material of this word, and every time whenever you want to open this software with the new ID and write an essay of 100 words on Allama Iqbal, it will write a new content for you, not the same content. Every new ID will have to see the new content for it. This is artificial intelligence based revolutionary software. Recently, this software has passed the MBA exam in the Pennsylvania University in America. In the Pennsylvania state of America, in the Wharton College, just like the other students. It takes the papers and clears all the papers and gets through the exam. And this is a very, very impressive software. I think we need to tune our education system, our assignment system, and everything in such a way that this software does not affect the policies and the quality of education in the world. So if you want to solve your assignment, your question, everything, you can solve it very easily at home, everywhere, and this software will help you out. If you want to ask this software, write a to solve a mathematical question, for example, solve binomial theorem. Binomial theorem. Now it is solving and it is producing result for you. Yes, you can see that this is a mathematical theorem and it is now solving for you. Very impressive. You can click here, stop generating, it will be stopped. And in the same way, you can click to reproduce. Produce another answer, it will produce for you. This is very impressive software. You can see that binomial theorem is now being solved here. So this theorem is now solved, and you can see the answer here. This is a very, I think, a revolutionary software. We need to learn that one, and we can use it to solve our daily life questions, our daily life situations, different kind of questions that arise in front of us, and we don't have the answer for those questions. Without any search, we can write those questions in this ChatGPT and quickly get the answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.